Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various numerical problems what we are doing in indices. The next is to find the value of 1 by 81 to the power of 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 8 to the power of 1 by 3. Now, this 1 by 81, if I take the 81 to the numerator, then the power, whatever 3 by 4, that will take opposite sign. That means I can rewrite this as 81 to the power of minus 3 by 4. Similarly, this 8, if I take it to the numerator, this power also will change, negative 1 by 3. Now, 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4 to the power of minus 3 by 4. And this 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of minus 1 by 3. This 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So we will have 3 to the power of minus 3. 3 to the power of minus 3, I can write it as 1 by 3 cube. This is 2 to the power of minus 1, which can be written as 1 by 2. So this will become 1 by 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. This is by 2, that means the result is 1 by 54. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.